Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the model number of your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on Settings and then go down and tap on General, then tap on About. Next in here, you will be able to find model number. So on this iPhone 12 Pro, the model number is MGMQ3X/A. Now this model number is quite important when you are purchasing repair parts for your phone. You want to make sure that you purchase the right parts. Otherwise, if that part does not fit the device, then you cannot repair your iPhone. So you want to make sure you buy the correct parts by using the model number. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.